Why we living in fast forward if all our time is limited? You take for granted, I'm just grateful to be given it. Live fast, die young with your syndicate. Till this life is done, I'll just be happy to be living it. I mean, I take it slow so we can soak it in, cause when I reach that door I know we'll be opening. Then we going in, confidence my only friend. If you think I'm rushing, then you really just don't know me then. Speaking of rushing, now I wanna slow it down. I live up in the moment, so emboldened by the sound of people talking nothing. I'm walking in past you runners, they chilling, looking for something I can use to kill discussion. Talking about this and them, gossip never listening. My life is a melody, I block out all the dissonance. Cause money's certain to equal time, so when life is going fast, a vertical equal sign. Pause.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be just fine. My love, please believe me, it's late and take it easy. I know I need to just slow down, slow down.
My whole life's just been a couple minutes, years gone in a second, then an hour it is finished. Doing what I can, trying to stop the world from spinning. Just because you finish first doesn't always mean you winning. I look around and I'm slipping in like banana peels. Running gets you nothing, so I jump up off the hamster wheel. Got a plan to chill, yeah man, for real. Wish the hands on the clock started standing still. But while I see all my people celebrating, I'll try to make it count, that's why I'm de-accelerating. So I pump the brakes and I up the stakes. Personally, I don't really wanna the race, cause you lose sight of all that's important to you. People and places that matter start looking foreign to you. And so I live trying to pacify, cause I don't want this life to pass me by.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be just fine. My love,